Hello and welcome, friends, and Dr. Jyoti. I'm here with a new guided meditation, a special Ho'oponopono prayer for your loving pet. Yes, it does exist, and you can do this for your pet. And even if you are an animal lover and you walk for the other stray animals. This is a special guided Ho'oponopono prayer prepared for the pets for their well-being. So first of all, we will understand why we have to do this and what benefits will get our pet from this, and then we will move forward with the guided Ho'oponopono prayer for our loving pets. First of all, it's necessary to understand why it is important. Practicing Ho'oponopono for pet healing is a powerful way to support your pet's well-being while deepening your connection with them. Here is why you have want to do with this meditation. First one is to promote the healing. Ho'oponopono helps clear negative energy and create a peaceful, loving space for your pet's physical and emotional healing. Second, to strengthen your bond. Repeating the 4 healing phrases while focusing on your pet fosters a deeper connection, trust, and mutual understanding. Third, to reduce stress and anxiety. This meditation soothes both you and your pet, helping ease with the anxiety during illness, vet visits, or any kind of stressful situations. Fourth, to offer emotional support. Pets absorb our emotions. Practicing Ho'oponopono can help release guilt, worry, or sadness, allowing more love and healing energy to flow. Fifth, to create a positive environment. By sending love and forgiveness, you cultivate a harmonious and peaceful home, benefiting everyone in your space. 6. To help with grief and letting go. If your pet is nearing to the end of the life or has passed, this meditation can bring comfort, helping you process emotions and send them love on their journey. These were the situations where we had to perform Ho'oponopono meditation. We will look out all these situations or ideal moments when we have to perform Ho'oponopono for pet healing. Listen carefully when you have to do this. Even if you practice it on regular basis, it will be great. But if you cannot, then remember these situations. First of all, when your pet is unwell, if your pet is experiencing illness, pain, or discomfort, this meditation can help promote healing, peace, and emotional support. Second, before or after a vet visit, to help ease your pet's anxiety and create a sense of calm. Do this meditation before a vet visit. You can also use it afterwards to support their healing process. Third, during times of stress or anxiety, if your pet is nervous, restless, or going through changes such as moving to a new house, meeting new animals, or loud noises like fireworks, this meditation can provide them comfort. Fourth, as a daily or weekly ritual. Regularly practicing this meditation can deepen your bond with your pet and maintain their emotional and physical well being. In times of a transition, if your pet is aging, nearing the end of life, or has recently passed, this meditation can help you with emotional healing, releasing fear, and sending love. So, being a pet parent, now you must have understood why the Ho'oponopono is must for our loved pets. So next, we are moving forward towards the guided meditation. Ho'oponopono for pet healing, a guided meditation. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you and your pet can relax together. If your pet is comfortable, gently place your hand on them. If they prefer space, simply visualize them in your mind's eye. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Take a few more deep breaths, inhaling love and exhaling tension. With each breath, allow your heart to open. Feel gratitude for your pet's presence in your life. Now, imagine, visualize a golden light surrounding both you and your pet. This light is filled with love, peace, and healing energy. As you focus on this light, gently bring to mind the four sacred Ho'oponopono phrases. Say, I am sorry for any pain, illness, or suffering my pet has experienced. I am sorry. Please forgive me for any ways I may have contributed unknowingly. Please forgive me. Thank you for the love, joy, and companionship my pet brings into my life. Thank you. I love you unconditionally, fully, and completely. I love you. Softly or silently repeat these four phrases as you continue to hold your pet in your heart. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you repeat them, visualize a golden light growing brighter, filling your pet's body with warmth and healing energy. Imagine, visualize any pain, fear, or illness dissolving into the pure love. You can add your own sentences or feelings to these four phrases. You can even add your experiences with your pet. Like how your pet has changed your life. Mm. take a deep breath and send your deepest gratitude to your pet. Visualize them happy, healthy, and filled with vitality. Whisper loving words to them, knowing they can feel the energy of your love. Slowly bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes, and if your pet is near, offer a warm hug or a gentle stroke. Know that this healing energy continues even after the meditation ends. Your love and intention have created a ripple of peace and well-being of your pet. As I have mentioned in the beginning of this meditation, when you have to perform this Ho'oponopono for pet healing, so please go through it. So this was a guided Ho'oponopono meditation for pet healing. To practice forgiveness and reconciliation, and to send love, healing to your beloved pet. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also please share your feedbacks in the comment box. Also you can mention if you need any kind of such more meditations for your pets or for yourself. See you soon. Tam Soma Jyotirgamyam.